Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of senditfrankie's EMTB progression vlog. Alright, so we're back at the office today. The chain being in 12th gear has given me a few nightmares. So I just constantly thinking about like why it's not working. I know the chain is just too short. Previously I didn't length it correctly, so I made the decision to get another chain, cut it to spec, cut it to the correct length, and then ride. Otherwise my mind is just going insane, like, okay, am I gonna snap the chain at any given moment when I ride? That ultimately is gonna affect my riding, so I'm just kind of freaked out by that. And then I just made the decision, you know what, let's just go ahead and replace the chain. With that, we're gonna get started. I will switch to GoPro view. Hopefully we'll get that, and we'll measure the chain and we'll see where we are at. All right, guys, check this out. This is the best way for me to figure my chain line. There's another way that, you know, you put it on and then you measure, but up to this length is completely short. So I am going to cut 1, 2, 3, 4. Loops in, then loops out. That, both, make sure this snaps back correctly. Whew. Think of that chain line. It is completely All right, guys, we are finally back at Santiago Oaks, and we are parked at the Anaheim Hills Elementary. So as you can see, a whole bunch of people parking here. And previously we parked over at the Serrano Business Center only because the Serrano Business Center, only because this wasn't open. So we parked over there. And now it seems like everybody's moving their direction back into the school. So we're parked here, and hopefully we are safe, and I think we're pretty safe here. It's like it's right across the street, like right into the street. If anybody wants to break in, they got to break in. Well, they broke in over there. So we're gonna head out, we're gonna ride. Ellen's not joining me. She's gonna join us tomorrow at Expedition Trail. I believe we're gonna go back there, get her training, get her riding. Me today, I'm gonna try my bike out, especially with the chain line, with the chain being the right length and everything. It takes me a little bit of time to get confident in my own ability to fix up my bike, because like when I'm riding and I'm doing stuff on my bike, I don't feel that comfortable when I'm riding stuff like rear. I feel like, oh shoot, you know, since I did the work, not a pro bike shop that did the work, it might fall apart. So sort of I have to get my confidence back riding my own bike, because I know that I messed with it, and like, you know, the amount of times I mess with my bike, I've always ruined it. So I'm a little bit sketched out just slightly, but today we're gonna ride some black trails here and get some runs in, and well, whew, that felt good. Oh, first time doing that. So washed out, blown out. It's all right. It's all right. I didn't know you guys were down here.
Is that okay for you? No?
I think I need to redo it. Go ahead, go ahead. It's all right, go ahead. I think I need to redo this. I gotta do it in one piece. Thank you, guys. Blind. I've never done the waterfall. Woo! Let's check it out. Let's check the line out first. Just straight through. Woo! Look at that. Straight rocks all the way down. Holy shit. Whew. Whoa, so loose. Not the best way to go down. Holy shit. I'm clipped out. See, that's the problem. New clips. Oh man. So hard to clip back in. Oh, okay. Holy crap. Alright. I could do that. Alright. Yeah. It's got to be that trail. Whew. I can't clip in. Problem with not being able to clip in. Oh shoot. This is the way up. Alright. Yeah, this is the way up. Woo! Alright guys. Thanks for watching today's video. I'm pretty satisfied with my chain. Didn't do such a great job on my first run on Waterfall. It is pretty much the gnarliest one, in my opinion. Even harder than Hawk. So, why I love coming to Santiago so much. There's things for everyone. For everyone. Including Ellen, including me, including, you know, it just keeps you on your toes because you're going down steep, rocky stuff, which is all over Southern California. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed today's progression video, and see you guys tomorrow. Peace.